Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best 31-day pill box out there, the CAidRE Monthly Pill Organizer. If you're someone who needs to keep track of medications, vitamins, or supplements, you know how important it is to have a reliable pill organizer. And let me tell you, this one ticks all the boxes. First off, let's talk about capacity. With 32 individual compartments, you can easily sort and fill your pills for an entire month in advance. Whether you take your pills twice a day, once a day, or more, this organizer has you covered. What sets this organizer apart is its attention to detail. Each detachable daily pill box is numbered and labeled with morning and night patterns, making it incredibly easy to stay on track with your medication schedule. And let's talk about durability. Made of BPA-free food-grade PP material, this organizer is built to last. Plus, the frosted surface prevents scratches and fingerprints, keeping it looking good as new. But what about portability? Well, this organizer measures 8.8 inches long, 4.7 inches wide, and 3.7 inches high, making it compact enough to take with you on the go. And if you like to personalize your organizer, it even comes with 2 types of stickers so you can number your boxes as you like. So there you have it, folks. The CAidRE Monthly Pill Organizer is not only functional and durable but also incredibly convenient. Say goodbye to the hassle of sorting pills every day and hello to effortless organization. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay organized and stay healthy.